how to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix the live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. For that, you have to open up your TikTok on your device. Open up the TikTok on your device. Open up once you have opened the TikTok on your device, you have to go for your profile option and go for the three bar option which is on the top right and go for the setting and privacy. After that, here you have to scroll down and go for the report of problem. So on a report of problem, you can see the many option, but you have to go for the live option because you want to fix the live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. And here you have to go for the hosting live and go for the live is suspended. And there you have to go for the no option. Then go for the need more help here. So here you can see the TikTok help desk and go for the so if you have any question, then you have to go for here. So from the TikTok help desk on so from the TikTok help desk center, you can easily fix your live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. So if you want to, so here you have to go for your Google Chrome and search for the TikTok support here, TikTok report a problem, and go for the report a problem here. And here you have to select your topic that you want. Go for the general account inquiry and go for the category option if you want. So here you have to provide your username and additional details, and you have to upload an attachment and you can send it to the submit option. So with the help of this process, you can easily fix your live wallpaper not supported on TikTok by reporting our program to your TikTok help center. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.